Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This incomplete income earning property is ideal for the prudent investor. Located less than 10 minutes from the Northern Caribbean University, this 0.25-acre site boasts a two-story apartment building. Ground floor consists of two generously sized two-bedroom, two-bathroom units with kitchen and combined living and dining areas, while the upper floor consists of three two-bedroom, two-bathroom units with kitchen and combined living and dining areas. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 26 million or US $168,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.